I want them to have remorse. I want them to repent and understand what they did.
It became another emotional hearing in the courtroom for the family of young Serenity McKinney. The Shelby County girl who was reported missing, later found dead near the Jefferson-Bullitt County line back in February. We have been following this tragedy since the beginning of it, and it is our top story tonight at 6. Hello, everybody. I'm Doug Proffitt. 8 months later, the two suspects charged with her murder were back in court today with attorneys to talk about trial details. You see them on your screen right here. Serenity's own mother, Catherine Abby McKinney, and her boyfriend, Dakota Hill, are also charged with abuse of Serenity's corpse. WHS 11's Isaiah Kim Martinez was in the courtroom today and sharing why Serenity's family says this hearing felt much different. Isaiah's live in the newsroom. Isaiah?
Well, Doug, Serenity's paternal grandmother tells me Catherine McKinney has looked over at them in court before, but it's the way she did it this time that led her to feel even stronger about her desire for a jury trial.
She'll glance at us, but today she actually physically turned her head to look at us, and that kind of bothered me, yes.
Melody Roller has been at status hearings in her granddaughter Serenity McKinney's case before. All of them understandably end up emotional.
I guess because I'm battling on forgiveness, and I realize that I'm not ready to forgive yet.
Monday was the final pretrial conference until January. Serenity's mother, Catherine McKinney, and boyfriend Dakota Hill, both charged with murder,
Commonwealth being represented in both cases,
appeared before a judge. Both prosecutors and defense attorneys say they're on track for an early 2023 trial. They told the judge, outside of a few outstanding lab reports from Kentucky State Police,
I believe it's additional DNA evidence.
They've got the majority of evidence they need to proceed. The judge then reminded McKinney and Hill, if they intend on negotiating a potential plea agreement, the next couple months would be the time to do that. Roller telling us a plea just won't cut it for them.
I really want to go in front of 12 people. I want the justice system to work in the proper way.
For the murder charges, both McKinney and Hill face anywhere from 20 to 50 years in prison or a life sentence if convicted.
The longer that they're in jail, the less likely that they can hurt another child.
The trial is set for January 31st. The final hearing is the day before. 2 months after what would have been Serenity's 5th birthday, Roller continues to keep her granddaughter's memory alive.
It's a constant reminder of what I have to keep fighting for.
Praying it won't be long before the family can get justice. Meanwhile, a judge remanded an effort to consolidate the suspects' cases, meaning they will continue to be tried separately. Doug.
Well, Isaiah, as you know, another big part of this tragedy remains that autopsy report. And there have been so many questions about that autopsy report and how the manner in which Serenity was died and was killed. Do you have any updates on that?
Well, Doug, I talked with Bullitt County Coroner Dave Billings, who doubled down on the fact that it is a homicide. That's what it's been reported to this point. Remember, his office confirmed in August Serenity's DNA matched the body found and returned her to the family. He says, given the condition of how they found her, manner of death remains undetermined here. He did mention, though, Serenity had multiple broken bones when she was found. Doug, back to you.